Parents, do you know what the Slender Man is? Well, we're going to talk about what this fictional character is and what it means to your students. My name is Josh Oakes, and I travel the country teaching students how to shine online, how to be safe and smart on the internet. I'm with SmartSocial.com. Now, what is the Slender Man? Well, the Slender Man is a fictional character who originated from a viral internet meme and has made an impact on pop culture. Now, there's a website called creepypasta.wikia.com, wikia.com, and it's a website that's home to user-generated horror legends and images that have been copy and pasted around the internet like this. And as you can see in the upper right above my head, do you see that creepy person in the background? Well, let's talk about how this internet meme works. You see, the character started as a challenge on a web forum. Users were challenged to Photoshop everyday photos to appear a little bit paranormal. Within 2 years, the character had become so popular that the creator couldn't believe how widespread that it had become. Now, what is the Slender Man? Well, the character is portrayed as a tall, thin, and faceless man in a black suit. He goes around traumatizing people, targeting children. There's even a symbol associated with the character that is heavily used in his depictions. Now, at the end of this, I want you to consider forwarding this video to your school so they can use Parent University and videos like this for your whole community. We strengthen the dialogue in the community and teach kids the positive side of the internet. We also have a tool called Footprint Friday that helps parents monitor their kids online. Now, what is Slender Man? Well, since the Slender Man isn't tied to a specific narrative, he can be seen depicted in several video games like Minecraft and the Slender Man app on iOS and in movies. He can look different depending on the storyteller, but he's usually seen in a forest and has long tentacle arms, as you can see above my head. Now, in most stories, the Slender Man usually has the ability to teleport, and children who are targeted by him are driven insane or act on his behalf. The motive of the Slender Man is usually mysterious and vague. He can either protect certain children like a guardian angel or attack them. I know if you're an adult and you're thinking, what? Well, hang out with me here just for a second. Here's what CBS News says. CBS News says 2 girls allegedly stabbed their classmates 19 times in what investigators described as a sacrifice intended to please Slenderman, which they have discovered on a horror story website. New York Magazine says the teen who stabbed a classmate told police she first encountered Slenderman as a secondary character in a Minecraft video. The Washington Post says, for whatever reason, Slender Man does seem to have resonated particularly among teenagers. Perhaps that's the demographic most susceptible to scary stories, or perhaps they're the people frequenting sites like creepypasta most often. All right, why should parents care? Well, although he is fictitious, the Slender Man can be very influential. You see, in 2014, as we discussed, 2 teenage girls stabbed a classmate and claimed it was an attempt to act on behalf of the Slender Man after reading about him online. The girls were tried and convicted as adults. In 2014, a mother reported that her teenage daughter attacked her with a knife, and the Slender Man motivated the attack. A few years ago, police reported that a teen had lit their family's house on fire while their family was inside, connection with, once again, the Slender Man. Now, Slender Man is so popular that it has become a common Halloween costume. According to the HBO documentary, Beware the Slender Man, most American kids know about this fictional character. There was a horror movie coming out in 2018 about this character, and it will increase its popularity. I want you to be aware of it right now. Now, what can parents do? Please talk to your children about the Slender Man and ask them whether or not they know about him. Ensure that your children know that he is not real. In fact, it may be better that they learn from you. Teach your students about urban legends and how to decipher what is fake from what is real. If your student talks about the Slender Man, consider discussing the issue with your school. Chances are, if your student is aware of the character, other students are as well. Having a strategy in place can prevent an incident from occurring. Ensure that your children know that they can always come to you or a trusted adult if they have questions or want to talk. Consider learning about viral trends like this so that you can stay one step ahead of your teen. Parent University is a great place to do so. Let's take a look at this. Please consider forwarding this on to your school. First, we believe in three things. One, building a positive profile, showing students how to shine online. Number two, being safe online, protecting parents and students from predators and attackers. And number three, anti-bullying, showing students how to look out for each other and report an issue. Now, here's our tutorials. We have safety videos that you watch with your kids to teach them good and bad behaviors. Smart videos, those are tutorials you use with your kids and watch them with them to understand the positive use of apps. And then next, prevention videos. Videos parents watch without their kids to learn safety issues and dialogue tips to work with their kids. Now, week 1 in Parent University is a Snapchat class that you take. It's about 8 to 10 minutes long. It teaches you the ins and outs of Snapchat. Week 2 is Instagram. Our Instagram tutorial shows parents the hidden parts of the popular app. You look over my shoulder and get to see how it all works. Week 3 is a safety class for parents. You watch these videos with your junior high, middle school, and elementary school kids. On the right, can I share my password with my best friend? All kinds of videos like this that make us the bad person, and we present them to your kids so that you are there to support them. Week 4 is anti-bullying. It's a class for students that gives students a vocabulary to help each other. Week 5 is a social media resume building class for students. You present this to your middle school and high school students so they know how to build a positive online presence even if they don't currently have these networks. Week 6 is a parent safety class. Watch these videos to get up to speed on what your kids know and how to protect them and how to get ahead of your kids. And then week 7, if you buy the annual pass, you get access to all of my digital safety books via PDF. You can read them on the go. Week 8 is a cell phone contract where you get to watch a video with your kid and sign a cell phone contract. You also get access to our Parent University Facebook group and access to our Footprint Friday tool. Colleges and employers have time to search for candidates, and our team built this tool to teach parents exactly how colleges and employers will search for their teens and tweens online. It helps you monitor your kids in less than 5 minutes each week. Look at this. You get safety videos you watch with your kids, smart videos, tutorials your kids watch with you in the room and understand the positive side of social media. You get prevention videos, videos parents watch without their kids. You get Footprint Friday, you get a Facebook group, and you get so much more. Guys, I'm so honored that you would watch this video. What is the Slender Man? I know it's a scary world that we live in out there, but I want to assure you that there is a positive side of the internet. There is a part of the internet that is extremely light, bright, and polite, and that's what we're trying to teach your family. I'm honored that you be a part of our crew, our group, our family of SmartSocial.com so that we can help your community to shine on the internet, to keep your kids safe and smart, and to make sure that we know that we need a plan before we give our kids a device. And we need a plan to make sure our kids are productive online instead of just using it as a pastime. I'm Josh Oakes. Thanks so much for joining me here today to learn about this new video and the many more. Please subscribe to our newsletter, subscribe on YouTube, and also consider visiting SmartSocial.com, picking up a copy of one of our books. Let us know what you think on Amazon of our books, and join our podcast. The links are below. Listen to us each week. I'm Josh Oakes with SmartSocial.com. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks so much, and keep it light, bright, and polite. Have a great day.